Hi there, students. Coeval, coeval. Okay, this is an adjective, coevally, and the adverb. Okay, if two things are coeval, they existed at the same time, or they exist at the same time. They're the same age. So, I guess my twin brother is coeval with me. For example, an archaeologist digs down through the layers, and if the archaeologist finds various things at one layer, at one level, then that's a good indication that these different items are coeval. They existed at the same time. Or a geologist can see the different strata, the different levels laid down, and each of these levels gives are coeval. The layer is coeval. Everything is of the same age. So coeval, contemporaneous, contemporary, existed at the same time. They were coexistent. Yeah, they existed at the same time, so they were coeval. So two things that are coeval are of the same age. The building of the building of the library happened at the same time as the building of the railway station. The railway station and the library are coeval. They're coeval with each other. Okay, so these two things are coeval, or maybe one is ever so slightly younger. The archaeologists or analysis proved that this document is coeval with the signing of the Magna Carta. The analysis of the language used showed that these two stories were coeval. They were written at the same time. So they're of the same age, they're of the same antiquity, it could even be of the same duration. So they happen simultaneously, they are coincident. Okay, so these two things are coeval. If you think about the development of human beings, there are certain things that developed coevally. They developed at the same time. Okay, so coeval, or perhaps different animals are coeval. If you look at the dinosaurs, there are some dinosaurs that were coeval, they came from the same age, from the same place. So coeval, something that arose at the same time as something else. Perhaps the invention of trains was coeval with the industrial revolution, or the invention of the steam engine was coeval with the industrial revolution. And this perhaps was coeval with the formation of the British Empire. Okay, so two things that are coeval, these happen at the same time. Perhaps going to university is coeval with a person reaching the age of maturity. It doesn't have to happen like that, but very often these are coeval. These are two things that occur at the same time. Okay, this is a fairly formal word. It's probably a word that a lot of native speakers won't know. So formality. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, better in a semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from late Latin, coevus, con, equal, and avum, age. So coeval, these are of equal age, they come of the same age. So coeval, they're of the same age, of the same period. That clock and the chairs are coeval. They come from the same period. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Coeval.